Some things. Ah. Hit 10 times, yeah, so that's fast. Set my health to 100, so I'm setting health at the minute. Set it initially to 100, and when I get hit 100 times I should get an alert upwards. There we go, yeah. So it works. I need to run faster. Modify the movement. So we've got our basic health set up now for enemy damage. Damage an enemy. I think this a bit faster. Player character needs to be a lot faster. Died again. Okay, so we've got that set up for the death. Now I need to restart the level probably when you die. Copy this code from before. This is for restart the level basically. death routine. Then we'll add our scene ID, which will just be the same scene that we're in. Add an attribute of that. So what I've done is just make it so that it loads. I'll show you what I mean by this. So basically, when my health reaches 0, we start the level over again. So we get the ID of that, which is this. Go to here, pass it again to get the new store. Score is not defined. Oh, there we go. Remembering to replace that. That's why it didn't work. Pass it again. Scene ID is the current one, which is there. You just get that from the URL in the top menu. Now, if I play again, hopefully, when I reach the end of my health, I should restart the level. What? Oh, I'll put it to the same thing again. Yes, I have. This is just because I was copying and pasting from some other scripts, just because for ease of use. I mean, if you want to refer to this, I would obviously recommend that you look at the project, because there you can just get the whole thing just there. I mean, I don't know that from memory, I just looked it up. It's not like something I can recite from memory. Why would I be able to? So now when I get killed, shot enough, I should restart level. So I should reboot once I'm dead. Death, okay. Okay, yeah, there we go, worked. I think, sort of. There's moaning about a play impulse, why? Oh, I don't know why that happened. I need to take off the alert actually. I'll leave this console on there, we'll just have it so it restarts. Save all files. See what happens now. There's a lot of going back and forth and testing at this point. But at least now we've got our death routine. So we can actually get killed by these rectangles. They're actually sustainable threat. So should restart the level now. Yep, it's restarting again. It's quite odd though. They're basically firing in fire at me still, yeah. Ah! Okay, that's a bug. I wonder why that happens. I do enable the gun, don't I? Yeah. Strange. Seems when it resets I can't shoot anymore. Okay, I'll have to look into that. It's a strange bug. I just remembered it now, so just set a timeout function. Da 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 da. Just copy it from here, it's much easier to do that. Why? So this basically should give me bullet, destroy, after 2 seconds. Oh, that might solve the issue I was having as well with the... So there might be a memory issue, I guess. Well, let's see what happens anyway. Save that. Saved. So now when I shoot, the bullet should disappear after 2 seconds. Or it'd be too short actually. Okay, I've got this. Oh, same error. I died and got the same error. I don't know why this might affect it, but I'll try changing this to bullet instead of test entity. Now I've got test object. I'm going to knock out the bullet clone. Okay. Okay, that could be why. It's got the same name. Yeah, which actually makes more sense anyway, so just change it to a lowercase b bullet. Save. This is all the joys of debugging, just these small minor things which you get tied up in for a while. Select it, bullet, and try again. Oh, hopefully I can still shoot. Ooh. Yeah, good, it still works. restarting. No, still got the same bug. So I think a bit of creative thinking just to get around that. I'm just going to create a different screen later with a restart button, and then that might fix that issue honestly. But still set up some stuff, so that's good. It's not an entire loss. So I think next thing I'll work on is the scoring. We'll cover creating the score, the health, and for the health you just want. Well, I did start working on it before, but didn't quite get it working for some reason. So I'll try again. Just to see if I can put something here that will show you. Okay. So this app health, yeah. Score UI. So I've already got the health going down, haven't I? Because otherwise it wouldn't be. So I'll just start adding add another text box here that says health. So just duplicate the score you good. Health. So we've got a little indicator there, and then move this here. Let's just see if that loads. Yes, I can see health there. Make it red. It doesn't stand out very much. Move that bit there. Probably make it a bit bigger as well. And we want to move this as well. That's there, make it 52. So I'm going to see what that looks like with the just where I've set it, but that's not exactly how I want to do it, of course. I just want to see how it looks. Oh, I know why it's not showing. Because I'm setting it with the script, but for some reason it's not saying. Which I'm not exactly sure why. Give it outline thickness, yeah. Just screwing around with the to make it look nice. Okay, this is not working because this isn't working. Oh my god, it was this keyword. So it works now. There you can see 71. So now I've got a health meter, and you can see where I'm going to die. Which makes it a bit more like a game, really. There was a this keyword in the wrong place. Very annoying. Okay. You'll see now when it goes to 0, restarts the game. Back to 100. So it was actually working. That's so annoying. It's literally. Let me just show you what I missed. So I put this display instead of just display. I was actually quite annoyed. I hate when I do that. I've done that a few times. Mixed up my this keywords. Anyway, so that's good. Now we've got the health display. I'm going to change that to red as well, and make it probably thick like the other one. Maybe even make it a bit bigger. I'll make this a bit bigger as well. Just so it's easier to read. Double check it. Yeah, that's a bit too small on the health side of things because I've put the wrong thing. That should be better. Move it up a bit. There we go. Now I've sort of got a game. The other thing I need to do, of course, is I think set the destruction for the enemy bullets. I don't think I've done that yet. Just quickly do that, and then I think I'll wrap this part of it up, I guess. So that's just essentially a copy of this, except with bullet 2. Bullet 2, destroy after 2 seconds, yep. Save. Now that should save. Make sure that those bullets that they fire disappear or destroy themselves after 2 seconds, because it's quite pointless to have them go longer than that floating around, and after a long enough time I think they become very cool. Starting to come together a lot more now. Starting to feel a bit more fun and like a game. I can probably copy a few more of these enemies now, make it a bit more. And I think last part I'll do is probably the next tutorial, because I want to make this a short one. I know the last one was a bit of a graft probably, so I'll make the last one polishing, making that end screen properly, making a reset, and then also making some more enemies, and basically it's sort of the fundamentals we've covered. There are obviously lots of ways we can improve this. Movement could is one obvious area of improvement. Adding animation, adding just basically making it all more polished. But hopefully, if you've gone through this, you've created a sort of basic FPS shooting game. Like I said, the whole point of this is it's prototypal, so it's not supposed to be a polished, finished product. And obviously there's a lot of bugs. There's a lot of bugs, mostly in the movement scripts. Like these things float through the floor, for example. But it's sort of a starting point, I guess, for PlayCanvas FPS. Okay, so I think that'll do for this one. Should be short this time, so I've been all nerd. Like and subscribe. The next one I'll probably be. I'm doing these quite fast, so I managed to get through it quite faster than I thought. But yeah, like and subscribe. I will post tutorials quite often. Have a good one.